if you are looking for a 230 pesos worth of sweet perfumes, you came into the right place. But 230 pesos is very oddly specific price, so let's round it off to 300 pesos. Anyways, you can check them out here on my yellow basket, or you can check them out anywhere you want. It's all up to you. Anyways, let's start the video. Anyways, disclaimer lang, I don't really suggest wearing sweet perfumes on a daily basis pag school or pag alam mo mapapawisan ka at mainit. Because they tend to be cloying, pero it's all up to the user kung paano niya gagamitin to or kung, alam mo, paano mo dadalhin. It's all up to you. Wala akong magagawa doon. So, yun lang. Sana naman maintindihan niyo. Number 1 on my list would be Choco Musk, since wala naman siyang inspired whatsoever. So, this is a chocolatey, musky, sweet type of fragrance. It's only 299 pesos. You can check them out on the Orange Up or here on TikTok. Kaso nga lang, I don't know if meron ako dito. Anyways, this one projects very loud. Kaso nga lang yung longevity niya sa akin is naglalast lang siya sa akin is 3 to 4 hours. Maybe on a right skin chemistry, nagtatagal siya na 6 to 7 hours. Kasi sa girlfriend ko, 6 to 7 hours siya. But yeah, check this out. Siguro bago lang sa pandinig nitong brand na to, pero I have here Din fragrances. They have here the ni Shane Annie, Jazwan, and Zerge of Naxos. So these 3 scents are very sweet type of scent and medyo unisex sila. So a man or a woman can wear this. It also projects very loud. Pero yun nga, same with the Choco Musk, projection niya is nasa 4 to 5 hours sa akin. But I'm already amazed since these are niche brands, and to find a niche fragrances on an inspired is already amazing. So you can try to check them out. It's only around 250 to 300 pesos. Next would be Treasure Scents. I have here Ultramale, 1 Million, TF Fabulous, and Invictus. Surprisingly, their Invictus is kind of sweet. I think this is Invictus Victory. Pero kamoy niya si Axe Temptation. And also, TF Fabulous, 1 Million, Ultramale are both sweet scents. And for that price of 300 pesos, makakabili ka ng dalawa. It's buy one, take one. So, choose your poison. And yun nga, projection and longevity, so far, it's around average na lang din. Noong una, siguro, hindi ko siya nagustuhan, but so far, nagagamit ko siya. And all I can say is they improve a lot. So, yeah, try to check out Treasure Scents. It's overslept on. So, you know, it's all up to you. Siyempre, hindi naman pwede magpatalo ang mga pioneer ng inspired cheapy fragrances sa Pilipinas. We have here Aficionado, and mga ma-recommend ko is F46, Ariana Grande Cloud, F68, which is Britney Spears, if I'm correct. Yeah, Britney Spears Fantasy. And syempre, ang pinaka-favorite ng lahat ngayon, F69. These are sweet fragrances, and you can also buy them around 180 pesos or 250 pesos. So, try to check them out. Mura lang siya, and hindi ka magsisi sa quality. The projection is loud, the longevity is also there. Maybe it's all up to the users, pero para sa akin, nagtatagal sa akin itong mga to. Syempre, hindi naman pwede magpatalo ang mga cheapy fragrances na TikTok. I have here the HSI Motivational Tobacco Vanille, and here you go, Motivational Lamal. So these are sweet scents that you can wear every day. Nasa around 230 to 250 lang din naman siya, or around 300. I'm not sure, hindi na ako updated, pero yeah, these are below 300 pesos and the cheapest you can find in the market right now. Oh, nakalimutan ko nga pala, projection and longevity. When it comes to the HSI Motivational, napaka-loud and napaka-long-lasting nila sa skin. It's above average, it lasts around 5 to 6 hours depende sa user, and also they project very, very loud. So, maaamoy ka ng kahit sino na katabi mo. So far, it's good. Be careful nga lang since medyo malagkit yung oil niya. Magpapatalo ba ang HSI Signature Premium sa kanyang HSI Motivational? Siyempre, dito yung ating mga Signature Premium. I have here the Elixir and Ultramale. Pinaka-OG Ultramale, pinaka-the best sa Signature Premium. Pero, meron pa namang iba like the 1 Million and many other, the Choco Blast or Choco Extreme. I forgot. But yeah, those are good sweet scents din. Kasi nga lang, wala ako since napag-giveaway ko na siya. So, congrats sa mga nanalo last time. But yeah, the scent of these two are very close to the OG. Kaso, disclaimer lang, baka kasi may magsabi na ang bilis na lang mawala. Just have to spray it or spray a lot. Kasi medyo average or below average talaga yung longevity ng production niya. Let's be honest. Diba? Pero yeah, just spray it. It's cheap. So, it's around 230 pesos or 200 pesos. So, it's good. Siyempre, hindi naman pwede magpatalo ang Enzo Scents. Kaso, baka may magsabi, it's around 300 to 500 pesos. Yeah, I know, I get it. 50 ml yun or 60 ml. But, you can always buy their 10 ml bottles, so you can try it. It's below 230 pesos, so valid, right? Valid, pabango pa rin siya. But yeah, if you have the budget, then go for the big bottles. Try their Lamal Elixir, stronger with intensity. I really like this one. Medyo fresh sa una, pero at na-dry down, kaamoy talaga si OG. And I also have here the Ultimate Premium and Scandal for Home. Marami pang sweet scent si Endocent, kaso nga lang medyo above the 300 range lang siya. But yeah, you can check them out. Endocent has good scents, especially this one. This is so slept on, the Scandal for Home. Napaka-loud niya, napakatagal niya sa balat. It's so pretty good. It smells like 1 million but sweeter. But yeah, yun lang. Anyways, yun lang guys. You can comment down below kung ano yung mga pwede nyo pang masuggest sa iba na wala ako since hindi ko naman kompleto lahat ng brands. And also, if you can check it out on my yellow basket, it will also help a lot. But that doesn't necessarily mean that I promote them. You can always buy whatever, wherever, or whoever you wanted to buy it to. Kayong bahala doon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sana nakatulong ako sa inyo sa pagbili ng mga sweet fragrances ninyo. And as always, it's your boy Cree ang nagsasabi na okay lang hindi guwapo basta mabango. Peace!